Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find the option Special App Access, and scroll down again to find Install Unknown Apps. So here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from the Chrome. So just tap on it and then tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because we are doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.